Hey y'all, welcome back to Pine Knot Family Farm. It's a pretty day outside. It's almost 60 degrees, but it is windy, so windy. So I'm gonna try to get some footage of just some chores we're gonna get done around here. I'm probably gonna have to do a little bit of voiceover, but I hope y'all enjoy hanging out with us as we just piddle around this afternoon. First thing we're having to take care of today is the pigs have tore the wire off the back side of the chicken coop, so it needs repaired, and we're just going to replace it with wood up high so they can't tear the chicken wire anymore.
Perfect, huh? What about bacon or sausage?
All the pigs are doing really good. They're all getting fat and happy, especially the first two males that we brought home. They're getting really big.
Get out of here, go. Let's go, get out. Go. Get out of here. Go.
So we're just trying to get all the chickens out of this side of the coop. This is the side that we use when we're raising babies or have a breed that we want to keep separate. So until it gets warmer weather and we can get in here and get it cleaned up, we just want to get everybody out of that side and closed off. As you can see, Levi has found a dead chicken here. Unfortunately, that happens sometimes. It doesn't look like a predator or anything got to it. It kind of looks like it was just smothered. So unfortunately, that's just part of it. And we're just trying to get everybody herded out of here, get the door closed so we can get this chicken coop cleaned up. It's so funny because out of all 20 nesting boxes, they seem to want the same one or two. So she's telling her to get out of my box. Here I'm just adjusting the open and close time on our automatic chicken door opener. The days are finally starting to get longer, so it was closing a little bit too early. We have actually got a video I'll try to link above on this automatic door opener. We love it. It's really, really awesome. Here Levi's taking some of the dry meal grain that we feed the pigs, mixing it with water, just giving them some mush. It's just a special treat that we try to do sometimes, and they absolutely love it. And now we're taking a little tractor ride down to the horse barn to get some more hay for the cows.
bunch of little ducks swimming around sometime or another. Thank you, Russell.
We move the hay feeder every time we put a fresh bale of hay in it, just to get it out of the mud if there's any mud, and also any of the hay that's fell out of it, they can still eat on that and it's not gone to waste. Here we've had the little horse trailer out since we went and got the pigs, which was quite a few months ago, so we're finally putting it back up in storage out of the weather. We have to keep this gate up to block the horses from getting in there because they tend to be a little nosy sometimes and want to go in there and mess with things. So that keeps them out of the way of that. Alright y'all, so I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with us while we just take advantage of this pretty yet windy day. So sorry that we're going to have to do the voiceover on a lot of this video. I don't like to do that, but when it's 22-mile-an-hour winds, you don't have much choice when you want to get some footage. So
50-mile-an-hour gust.
Is it 50-mile-an-hour gust?
It seemed like it.
I looked at the weather, it was 22 miles an hour. So, but it was a beautiful day. We got lots of just little things done that needed to be done around here. And until the next video, y'all have a good one. God bless.